Have you ever been frustrated by a notification that just won't stay put? If you're dealing with an Android foreground service notification that disappears when you swipe it away, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and find a solution together. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your notifications don't behave as expected. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges when working with foreground services in Android. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why is my foreground service notification dismissible when it shouldn't be?" They mentioned that despite their service running in the foreground, the notification can still be swiped away. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? According to the documentation, a foreground service must provide a notification that cannot be dismissed unless the service is stopped. However, it seems like something is going wrong here. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that could help you ensure your notifications behave as they should. To ensure the notification for the foreground service is persistent, the user should verify that the notification is set as ongoing. This is done by using the Set Ongoing method in the notification builder. Next, the user should check the flags set on the notification. The notification must include the flag ongoing event and flag no clear flags to prevent it from being dismissed. Additionally, the user should ensure that the notification is being recreated if it gets dismissed. This can be achieved by using the Set Delete Intent method to handle the swipe action. Finally, the user should test the implementation on different devices. Since the behavior can vary by device, testing on multiple devices will help identify if the issue is device-specific. Fun fact, did you know that Android notifications have evolved significantly over the years? From simple alerts to complex interactions, they now play a crucial role in user engagement. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user conducted further tests and found that the issue with the notification being swiped away seems to be device-specific. On their Honor device, the notification could always be dismissed, while on a Lenovo device, the ongoing flag worked correctly, preventing dismissal. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your notifications on different devices and Android versions. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these tips, your foreground service notification should behave as expected. Remember, testing across devices is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.